Hey, guys, today, let's learn how to delete your Instagram account permanently. So if you guys want to, go ahead and delete your Instagram account permanently. In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, all we need to do first is to launch the Instagram obligation. And then from here, I want you guys to proceed with choosing your preferred account. Now, once we are already here, what I want you to do next is to go ahead and basically tap on your settings or your profiles first, and then tap on your three lines right there. Next, let's tap on settings and privacy, and let's tap on our account center. Next, let's tap on our personal details, account, ownership, and control, and then deactivation or deletion. Select your Instagram account that you want to. Go ahead and delete, and then tap on delete account. Now, you need to be aware that this is going to be permanent, and once you delete your account, you have no chance of getting it back anymore. So once you're already sure of doing that, just tap on continue, max. Let's choose a specific reason why. Tab on continue again, and then tab on continue once more, and then to proceed with successfully deleting your account, we need to re-enter our password. So once that is done, that is how you guys can successfully delete your Instagram account. So thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.